Hey, we're here at gotomath.com. Let's click the calculus button and go down to concavity and the second derivative. And as you can see, this is the problem list. And what was that? Find all points of inflection. Looks like we're going to be looking at one like this. So let's bring up, whoa, look at that. One click and we were there. Let's actually click on the problem here so we can get a decent graph to pop up. There's one. So this is what we're looking for. We're looking for this point right here, okay? And you can see this part of the graph here is called concave down, and this part is concave up. All right. Well, let's write this. Let's write this down and then go to the board. Okay. All right, we got that. So we had g of x is equal to x cubed plus 7x squared plus 3x plus 9. So what we'll want to do is find the first derivative. We got to go through the first derivative to get to the second derivative. And we got 14x and then plus 3. Alright, then we'll find the second derivative. And so we got 6x plus 14. And then what we'll want to do is set this equal to 0 and solve for x. Actually, we better do that down here. So we got negative 14 over 6 is equal to x, and we can reduce that down to 7/3, negative 7/3. And then what we'll want to do is do a number line. So it's just like when we find the function when it's increasing and decreasing. And then what we'll do, let's see, that goes into 2 point something. Let's just do negative 3 to be safe. Test point, and we'll do 0 is always a good one. Let's see, yeah, that'd be 2 point, okay. We want to take negative 3, plug it into the derivative, and if we get positive or negative, well, I mean, that's what we want to do. And let me just write this down. G prime of negative 3, that's what we're plugging in. And then we'll plug in G prime of 0. Right, so plug negative 3 in, you get negative 18. And so that's going to be a negative number, isn't it? So that will be concave downwards. And then from negative infinity to negative 7/3, and then we plug 0 in. I should say we'll just put negative right here, and then we plug 0 in, we end up with 14, so that'd be a positive number, and so that'd be plus, and then this is called concave up from negative 7/3 to infinity. Now, because we have a change in concavity, it's changing. Alright, that means that there's a negative 7/3 exist, that is defined. Okay, so we have an inflection point, and that inflection point, I'll write it right here, is negative 7/3, and then this is going to be g of, and I'll let you plug that in, figure that out. Right, so that's our inflection point right there. So let's go back to the graph. So as you can see, concave down, then concave up, we call that. And let's hit the answer. So we have negative 7, that crazy thing. We have negative 7/3, and then when you plug this into this, we should get 740 over 27. You might want to check that out. Okay. Alright, so we'll want to come on back to go to math and practice that. Alright, and I'll see you there maybe. Bye.